It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. How to use reverse psychology on your ex. The concept of reverse psychology is interesting and especially powerful when used to make someone want you back. Someone this morning asked me how to use reverse psychology to make someone fall in love again, and that gave me the idea for this video. It is a powerful technique but should be used with caution. What is reverse psychology? There is a term in psychology called reactance theory, and it refers to making someone want to do the exact opposite of what you tell them, making them feel like they are losing control of the situation. It can also be applied to a situation where something is abruptly taken away from you. As human beings, we don't like things taken away from us, even if they no longer seem so important to us. It's human nature. We take for granted the things that are easily handed to us, and we immediately want back the things that are suddenly taken from us. What I just said will be the tool to make your ex want to get back with you, and that is how we will use reverse psychology. Your ex wants to be in control of the situation. He wants to be sure that you are at his disposal when he wants to talk to you, and he doesn't want to give that power to anyone. Using reverse psychology can put your ex in a situation where he feels like he no longer has the power and will unconsciously want to regain control of the situation. The result is that he will start trying to get closer to you, and you must know how to deal with the situation. Then what do you do? As I told you before, it is a delicate tool that must be used correctly. Similarly, you must be aware of the fact that you must persevere if you want it to work. You won't get anywhere if you don't try. As with any technique to get your ex back, you must maintain discipline, motivation, and concentration. At this point, your ex most likely thinks he has you under control. You are available whenever he calls you, you do your best to talk to him or her, and you are generally receptive to any attention he or she gives you. It's nothing to be ashamed of, you just want him to come back to you. But when it comes to using reverse psychology in relationships, you'll have to start showing your ex that he is not the center of your universe at all. I know deep down you feel like he is and you miss him more than words can express, but it's important to your attempt to get back together to show your ex that you have other things to do right now. You're probably thinking, but if my ex thinks I don't care, I'll lose him forever. Believe me, I'm pretty experienced in love and relationships and getting people back together for a long time, and that's not how you're going to lose your ex. By allowing him to have you in his hands, you put yourself at a much greater risk. I'm sure you've heard of the no contact rule. Well, it actually has its roots in reverse psychology. When you disappear, your ex will notice and he will want you back. It sounds very easy, right? Okay, it's a little more complex than that, but that's the gist. Example of reverse psychology, zero contact. When you want to receive more attention from your ex, you have to stop paying attention to them yourself. Think of it as a tug-of-war situation. If you are always pushing, your ex will pull away. You want him or her to want to get closer to you. This is where the no contact rule comes into play. Many people ask me, does reverse psychology work on men and women? And the answer is simply yes, as long as it is done right. In this case, you want your ex to want to get back with you, right? So you have to make him wonder if he is losing you. As I said before, human beings don't like things taken from them. Depending on your situation, you will cut contact with your ex for a period of 3 weeks to 3 months. During this time, you will not approach your ex. This means no texting, calling, emailing, liking your Facebook or Instagram pages, etc. You don't answer his calls and channel all your energy into making your life amazing. Now is the time to take back control of your life and your happiness. When you do this, reverse psychology becomes easy. You get too busy improving your life, so you don't focus on how much you want to get closer to your ex. In fact, this makes him or her want to get closer to you. Instead of showing your ex that you need her presence to have an amazing life, you are making her see that she needs you to have an amazing life. You are a valuable addition to her life. If you decide to take control of the situation and cut off contact, your ex will instinctively want to do something about it. They will try to get close to you, so make sure you have worked hard to make your life seem irresistible. You are an essential part of what we do on this channel. For this reason, we keep an eye on what you need, and if it is your desire to recover your ex correctly and effectively, you must click on the link below.